Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. It is a gorgeous April day today, and we are getting out to grow something today. So if you look around here, we're going to introduce what we're doing today. I've got the three boys here. The four of us are going to knock out these garden beds, get them prepped. If you look behind me, you can see them right there. We're going to get these tarps off and rake it out one last time, pull out any invasive weeds like crabgrass, trip and Charlie, any of that stuff. One last time, we're going to rake it. And then we're going to set up our 30-inch beds with our 10-inch walkways. Now, if you've been following us over the winter, you'll know that we have some garlic planted, some winter garlic. It's right here. It's doing really well, as you can see, but it's definitely not ready for harvest yet. So we are going to work around our garlic so we don't disturb it. We're going to do our walkways and our paths right up to the garlic and then jump right over them. As soon as they're ready to pull, we'll get them pulled out, harvested, and then integrate that section into the rest of the beds. Matter of fact, we got this wonderful chap right here.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Yeah. We're going to get this knocked out. So get out, grow something today. Keep watching. We're going to put this on a time lapse and go from there. Hey everybody, thank you for watching. So we did cut the video a little short there in the middle with the time lapse. These guys took a break, got a little tired. However, I did want to show you what we've got taken care of here. So let me show you right here. We've got them marked out. We did work around our garlic because we don't want to disturb it yet until it's fully grown. These are marking out our 10-inch walkways that Zayden's jumping all over and having a good time now. We're going to get this covered back up completely with the tarp. The tarps, because we're not planting yet, we did need to keep it covered a little bit more. We found a little more weeds, so we want them to germinate and come up. So in 2 weeks, we will plant our first crop, and we'll show you that and get that video out there. So as you can see, we've got one of them way over there. He's pretty tired too. So is this guy.
I'm not tired.
Yeah, sure he's not. But we're gonna close this video out. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Get out, grow something today, and enjoy the weather.